down. There's no easy way to be found. Don't be discouraged, don't shy away, 'cause you know you're close to shining through. When there's nothing that can stop you, if you just keep
the button on the screen or touch.
Good afternoon, this is Mike at Cottage Car Wash. Today we just wanted to talk about the importance of wiping down your car after proceeding through a touch-free wash. Here at Cottage Car Wash, we're all touch-free. However, there's some films that can be on the vehicle, road traffic films we like to call them, that are very difficult to get off unless you wipe them off. So we just want to demonstrate after going through one of our washes here what we like to see done with a clean microfiber. That's very important. Clean microfiber or chamois. We like to start at the rear of the vehicle. The rears of the vehicle always generally get hit the worst due to the oils and grimes coming off the road being dropped back on top of the vehicle. It doesn't take very long to do this. Just takes a couple minutes, and what we've been seeing is a spectacular vehicle when you're done. Just wiping off any of that road film or water that's left on the vehicle. A lot of folks think that dirt is just dirt. However, road traffic film is usually products of combustion or contaminants, including oils that's left on the road, and it's quite stubborn. Sometimes we need a little bit of a helping hand to get it off the vehicle. And that's about all you need to do. If you ever need any help with anything on your vehicle needs, just come see us at the Cottage Car Wash.
Well, everything's about to change, yeah. It's the start